আরে আমি গেলেই তো হতো নাকি?
Hello and welcome to my channel. This is TVS Ntorq scooter, and I was not figuring out how to turn the engine on. That switch, I had to press that. And this is not my scooter, this is his scooter, my friend Shubhayan. And today we are going to his garage to assist him. I am going to assist him to drive his Hyundai Eon car. Riding scooter is not difficult, as I can ride the electric cycle. That is more difficult to ride, though scooter is more heavier, but not so difficult to balance. I am fast forwarding in this part, in this section of the video. Now on the right side there is the fish market of Kumarpara. This is early in the morning, around 6:15 a.m. and the rail gate was closed.
ইঞ্জিন অফ করব না।
So the main part of the video starts from here. My friend is currently driving the car, and he drives quite well, better than I expected.
আরে আমি গেলেই তো হতো নাকি?
I find it useless to argue on the road because it will only deteriorate your mood, and it is a waste of time and effort. He drives slowly in the second gear maximum in this kind of road, so it is easy to control the car and easy to assist for me. I just told him to look at the mirror and also the right side, because there was a lane on the right side. Here is a pothole on the front, and I told him to go over the pothole, keeping it in between the wheels, but he took the car right, but it was okay. He generally forgets to give the horn to honk, and I remind him. He needs to better the judgment of the wheels, where the wheel is currently, because he is keeping the wheel on the left side where the road is uneven and it is jerky. Electric rickshaw was coming from the behind, and I told him to shift little left to let that overtake, because it is good he is driving slow and driving good. I actually feared that about his driving earlier.
গিয়ে দেবো।
কন্ট্রোল করতে পারলে দিতে পারি, ফাঁকা যে আসলে তখন দিতে পারি 30-20-তে আসে আসতে কয়েক মিনিট ওটা দিয়ে ঘুরাবি
সামনে
ঠিক আছে
I was trying to tell him my method of picking the car up in a slope. Meanwhile, a cab came and that was going towards the Belghoria Expressway. So I was assisting him to take reverse, turning the wheel left so that the cab gets space.
এবার ব্রেক ধর,
ব্রেক ধরা
ক্লাসটা আস্তে আস্তে ছাড়, ক্লাসটা ছাড়, অ্যাক্সিলারেট দে, ক্লাসটা অ্যাক্সিলারেট কর, অ্যাক্সিলারেট কর, অ্যাক্সিলারেট কর, অ্যাক্সিলারেট কর, ধরো ধরো।
He is not familiar with my method of picking up the car in a slope. Actually, there is no slope, but the road is uneven and the car was getting rolled over at certain places. My method of picking the car in a slope is to press both the clutch and brake pedal together and release the clutch to feel the vibration and then release the brake and press the accelerator.
তোর গাড়ির কালার ফার্স্ট গিয়ারই
ওভারটেক করে নিতে পারি,
এখন করবো। আমাদের এই গাড়িটা বেশি মাল যায় না, সোফারটা গেছে 12টা বাজে।
বাদিকে কর, বাদিকে কর, জায়গা বাদিকে সামনে ফার্স্ট গিয়ারে স্লো 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 ডান দিকে নে, ডান দিকে আস্তে কর, আস্তে 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 বাদিকে বাদিকে নে, বাদিকে নে, মানে এই রিক্সার চাকা ছিল।
Soon I will upload the next part of the video. I also have driven this car. See you very soon in the next video. Stay tuned and keep watching Car Avyas channel.